can hear me over the car, but we're here at Surrey Rolling Road with the 911 Backdate that we've been building that you know about. So we're here to do basically a tune and a dyno on it, see what it's putting out. Charlie's the main man here. He's just going to put it onto the rolling road, get it strapped down, and then Chris is going to start tuning it for us. So keep watching and we'll show what's going on and hopefully see what figures we get.